So now I would get a washcloth, and then I would apply soap. Correction, I would see if the water is cold or soapy. And then it looks to be a little bit soapy, so I'd refill.
Also requires a glove change too.
Yes, it does. Alright, that looks about getting ready. In this moment, I'll take to dispose and then sanitize my hands because my hands are not visibly soiled. Okay. I'll take a napkin to promote infection control. Ooh. Alright, Mr. Jones. Just gonna hold on a second here. I'm gonna apply another set of gloves. Alrighty, Mr. Jones. I'm just gonna have you roll over 1 second just so you can check the water. I don't want it to burn you, okay? So we're just gonna roll back over 1 second. Is everything okay? Awesome. Can you just check this water temperature for me? Make sure it's warm enough. It's good? Alrighty. Just wanna make sure. Alrighty, we're gonna turn back on the side, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Then I'll damp my cloth in the water. Then I would soak each leaf. 3, 5. I would get the back of the net. Then I would get one side of the back, the other side of the back, the middle, and then I would stop by the waist. Dispose of this washcloth, damp another washcloth to begin the rinsing process in the same order. So then, I would rinse the back of the neck, one side of the back,
Time check, 20 minutes left.
the other side of the back, the middle, and then the waist. Dispose. Then I would get another
Has it been 2 minutes for that?
drying towel to pat dry.
And